Hello everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. We're going to fold this red color of paper. Take crease, now again fold it and make this triangular shape. After making it, we're going to draw the design on the top of it and take a very sharp scissor and start cutting it. Look how we are doing here in this video. Don't cut it fully. You have to cut it like this only and leave the joint open like this. And look, it's done. After this, we're going to open the design gently like we're doing here in this video. We're also making multiple cut on the upper side of the design and look, it's ready. Now open it and you will get this beautiful design at the end. These type of designs are perfect for home decoration. Look how pretty this is looking. Make multiple fold on this red color of paper and make this triangular shape. After this, we're going to draw a design on the top of it. We need this type of designs. This is a heart shaped design, so we're going to draw the heart now. After this, we're going to cut it using scissors. Look how we are doing here in this video. Don't cut it fully, we have to join it from the bottom part. After cutting the sides and creating this beautiful design, now we are going to open it slowly. Finally, we are also cutting this triangular shape and look, it's done. Now you have to open it very slowly, don't tear it, and look, you will get this beautiful heart shaped design at the end. We are going to fold this red color of paper into half, then again we are going to fold it like this. After this, open it. Here we are going to fold it this way, so look carefully and make this triangular shape. After this, we are going to make this snowflake design on the top of it using pen or pencil. Now take a scissor and start cutting it like we're doing here in this video. You can take different colorful paper in place of this as well and cut it and decorate your home. Finally, you have to hold the paper from the top. It is a very thin design, so hold it like this and open it carefully and you will get this beautiful snowflake design. Here we are going to make multiple fold on this red craft paper and make this triangular shape. After this, you can create different designs. Here we are going to draw these leaf-like pattern and take a scissor and cut all of them like this. Don't cut it from the joint. Here we are going to make this design and look, it's done. These type of paper cutting design decorations adds a touch of elegance and creativity to any space or any occasion, and anyone can make them at home. And look, your design is ready. Now gently open it and look, your design is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.